All right, all right, all right. Happy New Year's to everybody. I hope that 2022 is prosperous and that we build some cool stuff together. So I printed out another pickup coil. So I have four altogether. I also printed out another iron core, just drops right in there like that. I printed out another one, but I printed it out a regular PLA. Drops right in like that. And then for a run core, I still don't know which rotor I'm going to use. I have a good idea, and I'll show you guys later. So this is going to be a run coil, but it's going to be bifilar, so I'll be able to run with it and pick up with it. And for this one, I'm going to use 20, I think it's 25 and 26 wire, or 23 and 25. I forget which one, but the thinnest one I have on the big spools and the second thickest one, I think it's 25. So I'm going to do that now. Right now I'm printing out a couple of brackets for my coil winding holder, the coil holder. I hope I'm going to be able to put, oh, you know what? I might have to raise this up and actually widen it out. I got a new motor for my foot pedal. So when I build the coil winder, I got one that's about 20 RPM, because the other one I could gear down or gear up, as it were. But they're so inexpensive. So I've got three of these pickup coils with their iron cores all done. I have to wind this next one, which I think I'm going to wind with the 25. I think that's 25 or 26. Anyway, yeah, let me get going. I'm printing out the brackets to hold down this thing, but I just realized that I might have to raise this up or lengthen this. Lengthen this to be able to hold the spools. And I have to make sure that it can hold two spools. Anyway, stay tuned, guys. All right, really quick. So yeah, I'm going to use, so I have 23, 25, and 21 gauge. I think what I'm going to do is use the 25 and the 21. And it turns out that these are fine because I actually don't use this hole here. I use the top of this. And with the bar in there, it sits up just high enough and I can easily fit two in there. So yeah, I really have to improve my video skills. Anyway, yeah, I think I'm going to go with 21 and 25. Yeah, ciao. All right, so not too bad. Came out pretty good. Bifilar with 26 or 25. What is it? I think it's 25 and 21. So two complete opposites. Anyway, came out really nice and heavy. I'll have to check out what the resistance is, or the ohms. But yeah, so making the hole 20 millimeters is absolutely perfect, because then these little support pieces fit perfectly in there. So yeah, came out really nice. Now I just have to wind this guy, which I dread. Got to figure out what wire I'm going to use for that. So this has a lot more turns, but weighs less than this that has less turns, because it's a thicker wire and it weighs only half of what that guy weighs. But this has a lot more wire on it. I don't know what that means. I don't think it really, well, I mean, it means something, but, and there's the little support pieces that I printed out to hold the wire on there, which I have to figure out something. I have to print out a big disc that goes on the outside of this, because sometimes this wire likes to jump off and magically gets twisted in here, Ugh. But I was able to save it. Yeah, so let me get this guy soldered up. Right at the end of that last video, my camera decided to shit out. So yeah, let's get this guy soldered up. Put some terminals on there and go from there. Ciao.